Are you tired of feeling stuck? Do you ever wonder why some people seem to effortlessly attract success and abundance into their lives, while others struggle to make their dreams a reality? Well, get ready to embark on a journey of mind-bending possibilities, because today we're diving deep into the incredible world of manifestation. Welcome to Harnessing the Power of Thought and Manifestation. This video is not your average self-help guide, but a mind-altering exploration of how our thoughts shape our reality. Whether you've dabbled in manifestation before or are completely new to the concept, we're about to reveal the secrets to unlocking your true potential and manifesting the life you desire. In this video, we'll dive into practical tools and insightful techniques that will help you align your energy, focus your intentions, and overcome any self-limiting beliefs that may be holding you back. We'll explore both the science and spirituality behind manifestation, revealing the compelling evidence that supports this powerful practice. From quantum physics to ancient wisdom, we'll bring you a holistic perspective that will leave you inspired and eager to dive into your own manifestation journey. Okay, let's get started. Manifestation, the practice of bringing something you want into existence through aspirational thought practices, has been gaining significant attention in recent years. While the concept itself is not new and has roots in the 19th century, New Thought spiritual movement and ancient spiritual teachings, it has seen a surge in popularity. Positive thinking and the law of attraction are central concepts in manifestation. The belief is that our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs have the power to influence our reality and attract what we desire. By aligning our energy with our desires and maintaining a positive mindset, we can manifest success, abundance, and happiness into our lives. The power of thought is the first step in the manifestation process. It is believed that our thoughts create our reality, and by focusing our attention and intention on what we want, we can bring it into existence. Our thoughts and inner world have the capacity to attract things into our lives, much like currency. Just as we spend money on things we want, we can use the currency of our thoughts to bring into our lives what we desire. If we constantly focus on what we don't want or have negative thoughts, we may continue to attract those unwanted things into our lives. It is important to note that those who are not skilled at manifesting may dismiss it as nonsense. However, with practice and a belief in the power of thought, it is possible to manifest through thought. Manifestation requires aligning our thoughts, feelings, and beliefs with our desires and taking intentional actions towards them. The core belief behind manifestation is that by focusing on positive thoughts and beliefs, we can attract positive outcomes into our lives. This belief is often referred to as the law of attraction, and it is encapsulated in the mantra ask, believe, receive. According to this mantra, if we ask the universe, God, or a higher power for something specific and truly believe in our hearts that it is already ours, we will receive it. However, manifestation is not solely about positive thinking. It is about aligning our energy with our desires and taking action in our everyday lives to achieve our goals. While positive thoughts and beliefs are important, they need to be supported by tangible actions and changes. It is crucial to understand that our subconscious mind plays a significant role in the manifestation process. Our subconscious mind cannot distinguish between literal experiences and the thoughts we have about them. This means that if we constantly focus on negative thoughts, review what we don't like, or dwell on past grievances, our subconscious mind will perceive them as our reality and continue to attract similar experiences. To align our energy with our desires, it is essential to consciously choose positive thoughts, beliefs, and feelings. This may involve practicing gratitude, using positive affirmations, visualizing our desired outcomes, and surrounding ourselves with people and environments that support our goals. In addition to aligning our energy, it is crucial to take action and make changes in our everyday lives. Manifestation is not about sitting back and waiting for things to magically happen. It requires us to actively pursue our goals, make necessary adjustments, and seize opportunities that come our way. Our subconscious mind is the vehicle for materialization and manifestation, and it works based on our habitual thoughts and beliefs. If we constantly focus on what is wrong or lacking, our subconscious mind will continue to offer us experiences that match those negative feelings. To reverse this pattern, we can take control of our thoughts and intentionally focus on positive outcomes. Taking a few minutes before bed to visualize and feel our desires as if they have already manifested can be a powerful technique. By doing this, we are programming our subconscious mind to attract and create experiences that align with our desires. Practicing gratitude and appreciation for what we already have is another important aspect of manifestation. By cultivating a positive mindset and acknowledging the abundance in our lives, we create a vibrational frequency that attracts more abundance. Research suggests that daily affirmations can help boost your outlook and self-esteem while combating negative thoughts. When you frequently feel down or discouraged, practicing positive affirmations can help shift your mindset and improve your mental well-being. In fact, affirmations have been shown to increase activity in brain regions associated with an improved sense of self-worth. Many successful individuals, such as Tony Robbins, swear by the power of positive self-talk and affirmations. By using affirmations like "I am grateful for everything that I am and everything that I have," Robbins believes that you can align your subconscious mind with your desires and attract what you want into your life. Affirmations can be used to manifest various aspects of your life, including career success, wealth, and supportive relationships. By boosting your confidence and belief in yourself, affirmations can help you attract positive outcomes and opportunities. Overcoming negative self-talk is crucial for manifestation success. As the soccer player David James wisely said, "Be mindful of how you talk to yourself. It's a conversation with the universe." The thoughts and beliefs we hold about ourselves and our abilities have a profound impact on our ability to manifest our desires. To shift our thoughts from negative self-talk to more positive ones, it's important to be aware of our inner dialogue and actively challenge any negative beliefs or self-criticisms. This can be done through practices such as positive affirmations, visualization, and gratitude. Detachment from what we want to attract into our lives is another important aspect of manifestation. By releasing our attachment to specific outcomes, we open ourselves up to a greater flow of abundance and possibilities. This doesn't mean giving up on our desires, but rather surrendering and trusting that the universe will provide what is truly aligned with our highest good. As we come to the end of this enlightening journey through the power of thought and manifestation, I hope you feel inspired and empowered to create your own reality. Remember, you hold the key to shaping your life in incredible ways. If you found value in this video, I kindly ask you to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel if you haven't already done so. By subscribing, you'll ensure that you never miss out on our future content that will continue to guide you on your manifestation journey. I also encourage you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Your insights and stories can inspire and motivate others who are on the same path towards manifesting their dreams. Until we meet again in our next video, remember to keep manifesting and embrace the boundless potential of your thoughts.